Hey guys, this is Tim speaking from Skyrocket, the strategy consulting channel on cons.com. So today I'm going to present a new framework for you guys to use, especially for key account managers out there. It's the Key Account Management KAM Portfolio BCG Boston Consulting Group Matrix. So during my time at Renault, the car manufacturer, I was asked by the management to do an analysis of the portfolios of all the international key account managers in the team, so there are 10 of them. The objective was to extrapolate insights from available market and key account manager performance data to help them optimize their portfolio by simply focusing their efforts on a limited set of accounts. So to accomplish this, I took inspiration from the Boston Consulting Groups, alias BCG, and used their growth share matrix, which some of you may know. So here in this little video, I'll explain basically how the template works and how you can use it for your own set of accounts. So there are two axes in the matrix, which you can see on the left here, which are market growth and relative market share. Relative market share is basically the ratio between the top market share that a competitor has with a client relative to yours. So for instance, if a client on a given market, a competitor on a given market has, let's say, 30% of the market, and you have 20%, well, the ratio is 20 over 30, so that's 0.66, which would place it around here. So all these guys on that ratio. Market growth is simply the evolution of the total purchases your client is making in that specific category, so in that market. So for the car manufacturer case, which I did, it was basically for fleet. So the amount of cars they purchased every year, is this increasing, decreasing? According to that would give us different opportunities. So the best ones, of course, where our relative market share was the highest and where the client would be purchasing more and more cars from all the various different suppliers. On the right here, you can see the evolution of the business compared to the previous period. So it just gives a sense of where the money is and how that's growing, and different segments is quite nice to know. The total business variation that you would have on the market, and then explanations here in terms of the theory. So let's dive into the Excel model itself. So what it does basically is you have a model that gives you here the graphs, which you can then paste into PowerPoint. So this is how it works. So you have the parameters, classic thing, which you can change if you want to give names, different names you can, the different limits for your axes. And then there are two periods. So current year and the previous year. So the previous period, depends on how you want to do this. And what you have to input is in yellow, so the names of your key accounts, the current size of the account, so that's the size of the bubble, the largest competitor's market share for that key account, your market share, and that calculates basically the different data points that you need for the analysis, which are here. Do this for both years, for both periods, and you have the outputs here, which are then used for this graph, and then you have them here, and voila, you'll be all set. So this template has a methodology embedded in it, which I can show you here in my account. So we have different steps which you can use all through the methodology, so feel free to look through it. Yeah, and if you have any questions, feel free to private message me, and I'd be happy to help. Cheers, guys. See you soon. Bye.